Hey everyone, so I've got a little reading for you all out there today. And I asked the question, so I connected with you all and I asked the question, what do you need to let go of to align with your dream life? And the Ace of Cups came through. And this is all about letting go of any doubts and any not trusting, so letting go of any doubts that you can't manifest your dream life and letting go of anything that is telling you that you can't trust that your dream life is available to you. Okay. So, you might have this dream life that you really, 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 really want, but you have all these doubts saying you can't have that. How are you going to manifest that? It's too hard to get that. Blah, 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 right? And also another part of you saying, I don't trust that this is available to me. I don't trust that this is going to happen. I don't trust in the universe. I don't trust in this creation that I can have, right? So let me know in the comments if this is resonating. And what is your dream life? Let me know in the comments as well. What do you want to create? If you could have your dream life, what would it be? What would it look like? What would it feel like? So note down everything that you want and then notice the thoughts that come up around that. This isn't possible for me, as if this is going to happen for me, those kind of thoughts. So let me know in the comments those as well, because I'd be interested to see what doubts and untrusting thoughts come up around your dream life, right? So you need to let them go. And there's many, many ways we can do this. I have some amazing ways to do this, so feel free to comment if you want to know more about that. And yeah, just let all that go. Let go of the untrusting thoughts and the doubts so you can align with your dream life. So let me know what that dream life is and let me know if you have any doubts or untrusting thoughts around that in the comments. And if you've liked this reading, make sure you like it so I can bring you more. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified when I do these readings and upcoming videos. Alrighty, I'll catch you all soon. Bye.